This guide will teach you the fundamentals of using Formula and Name Manager, a helpful tool for managing Excel formulas and defined names. With Formula and Name Manager, you can easily create, locate, modify, and organize your formulas and names. It even allows you to export and import them for batch updating. This is what you see when you run Formula and Name Manager for the first time. The first page shows the Quick Start instructions. Go to the Purchase/Support tab. To subscribe from the Microsoft Store, click Subscribe to begin your free trial. Open any Excel file. The sheet in this tutorial doesn't look elegant, but it does contain all the elements that we use to test the app. It contains tables, database queries, charts, indirect references, hyperlinks that refer to defined names, hyperlinks referring to external and internal names, array formulas, duplicate local and global names, formulas with errors, ActiveX controls, form controls, chars, and even an Excel 4 macro sheet. Click the Formula Manager button on the Uniform Software ribbon tab to open the main window. This main window is a modeless window. This means you can return to Excel without closing it. On the top of the window is the toolbar. The color of the refresh button on the toolbar indicates whether changes have been made since the last time the formulas were loaded. A green dot inside the refresh button means the loaded formulas are up to date, and there is no need to run the refresh command. Let's update the sheet to see how the refresh buttons changes. The Update button shows a list of commands, including add, delete, edit, globalize defined names, and localize defined names. Under the toolbar is a filter bar. You can filter by types, such as range formulas, defined names, and table names. For example, to search for all the formulas containing the text DEP, you select All and Refers to from the scope lists, then enter DEP into the text box, then press Enter. This shows all the entries whose names contain the text DUP. Click the Reset button to remove all the filters. The Extended Properties pane is also a tool for filtering the list. The Referring pane is one of the interesting parts of the app. It allows you to navigate through names and formulas by using the refers to and referred by relationships. For example, click to select the name Autumn Boolean value 2. The Referring pane shows this name refers to cell D18, and it is referred to by 12 items, 3 cells, 1 name, 3 OLE object, ActiveX control, linked cell properties, 3 form control properties, and 2 conditional format formulas. The blue items are clickable. Click Name Referring Name. This name is selected in the main list, and the Referring pane shows the referring to and referred by relationships of this name. The Map command on the toolbar generates a new sheet that shows all the relationships defined by formulas. The Export and Import commands could be used together to update the entire file in a batch. You export the formulas and names to a worksheet, update them, and then import the updated formulas. See an example. First, click Export on the toolbar. Click Export. Go to the Formulas and Names sheet. Update the formula of the D15 cell. Change the text max to max value. Go to the Formula and Name Manager window and click Import. Click Load Formulas from Sheet. Click Update Workbook. Go check the formula of the D15 cell. The formula has been updated. In this example, we update only one formula. This feature is especially useful if you have to update many formulas and names in a batch. If you often work with large and complex workbooks, the app could be handy. Feel free to download and try the fully functional trail. Visit uniformsoftware.com for more information.